How are you spending this downtime? What new skills are you acquiring? What bits of information have you been curious about for such a long time? But your usual excuse was, I don't have the time to find out, or I don't have the time to research. Well, now you have the time. Augusta here from the new face of finance. As a property entrepreneur, many people approach me and ask how they can start in property. Back in 2015, when I had just started out as a broker, I'd been advising maybe 1 year at that point, I released a collection of videos that walk you through the mortgage process. At that time, I had just begun trading as a partner at an award-winning advisory firm in the City of London. As such, you'll see on the tail end of these videos that there is some information required by the FCA in order to market to the public. For me, it was more an educational tool than a marketing tool, as I believe that the best way to grow your client bank is to be in a position to educate them and provide them with useful information. I actually started the New Face of Finance YouTube channel back in 2015, but got super distracted and busy with all the other businesses, and one day it disappeared off YouTube without me even noticing. This time, that won't happen again. So, over the next few weeks, I shall be rolling out those 50 videos that walk you through the mortgage process and provide you with some really high-level information around what you've wanted to know about mortgages, but haven't known who or how to ask. 2015 was a little while ago now, so you might be thinking if the information is still as relevant as it was back then. And the truth is, most of it is still relevant. However, what I'll also be doing is providing some supporting videos like this one here. I will let you know where there are market changes and differences to the information that have been provided in the videos. Over the coming week, I'll be releasing the first 5 videos. Now, as you watch the videos, some questions may arise. There may be some concepts that are addressed that you want more information about or you want some more clarity around. That's totally fine. Leave the comments below and I shall respond in due course. Some information about these first 5 videos. Technically, these days, lots of mortgage brokers are whole of market, but just because they have access to all the products on the whole market doesn't mean that they know how to use these products or they have an understanding of the lender's criteria. They may have a certain aptitude or bias for only working with high street lenders. However, because of your circumstances, you may just not fit on the high street. And as such, you will need a qualified and suitably experienced advisor to get you to your end goal. Video 5 in the series talks about Data Protection Act, but this was replaced by GDPR a couple of years back. Now, I'll keep it simple. They are quite similar. GDPR had to be expanded to take into consideration all the changes in technology and so on. But it still reflects and pertains to the importance of ensuring that from an advisor's perspective, your data as the client is taken care of during the process of putting a loan in place. Now, I like to think of myself as more than just a mortgage advisor, and I use the term property finance specialist. And in the videos, you'll hear about other products such as bridging loans and commercial loans. To never miss a video and be notified whenever a video from the series is released, please make sure you subscribe. Precisely because of the opportunities that this coronavirus pandemic creates, this is a great time for you to put yourself in a position to start in property once we're able to go outside again without fear of getting sick.